Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back. Are you ready to laugh, to learn, and maybe to get a little confused with me? Don't worry, I get confused with English too sometimes. But today, oh yes, today we are going to talk about something very special. We are going to talk about how to think in English and how to make your words come out faster because let's be honest, sometimes the brain is running like Usain Bolt, but the mouth is moving like a slow turtle. Haha, right? You know that feeling. You want to say something fast, but only silence comes out. And you sit there thinking, oh no, why mouth? Why are you so slow? I will be your host today, and I promise you one thing I will not speak like a boring teacher. No. I will speak like your funny friend who drinks too much coffee and keep saying like a philosopher. Because English is not only about grammar and rules, it is also fun, practice, and confidence. So sit down, relax, and maybe grab a cup of coffee and tea because we are going to learn and laugh together. Now, first, let me ask you, have you ever been in the middle of a conversation and your brain says, yes, I know the answer, I know the words, but your mouth is like, sorry, boss, my brain is still sleeping. Ha ha ha. Yes, this happens to all of us. It happens to me many times. Once I was talking to a girl and she asked me, what do you do? I wanted to say I'm learning English, but guess what came out? The Nana. Ha ha ha. Oh my goodness, so embarrassing. But the good thing is, I laughed. She laughed, and the world did not. So remember this, my friends. Mistakes are not the end of the world.